Welcome to Simply Street Bikes. Today we have this 2012 Kawasaki Vulcan Classic. This is a 900cc V-twin, fuel injected. Really nice, clean looking bike. It's white and pewter in color. I really enjoy it. The bike's got 5,600 miles on it. It's in really good condition. The exhaust does have a little bit of pitting on it right here, but it's not too terribly bad. And if you decide to go to an aftermarket exhaust, it'll take care of that. No rips or tears in the seat. There's good tread left on the tires. The bike doesn't have any signs of being dropped or ever being down. It is a classic, so it does come with the windscreen. Spoke wheels, lots of black chrome on it. I think it's a really nice looking bike. Definitely has, a classic cruiser, California cruiser look, Just looks like it needs to be up and down the boardwalk, if you ask me. Really pretty bike. Alright, let's go ahead and start this baby up, show you the exact mileage. So the exact mileage, 5,625. Price right up. She runs really well. So there you have it. It's a Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic. 2012 with 5,625 miles on it. If you have any further questions and need more information, you can contact us through our website at simplystreetbikes.com, or you can go ahead and give us a phone call at 952-941-0774. This bike here does come with our 38,000 mile warranty. Thank you for visiting Simply Street.